this video, I'll guide you step by step on starting a Pinterest affiliate marketing business as a beginner without spending on ads or having a website using only free traffic. I'll show you how to set up an affiliate account on Fiverr, and I have a special bonus just for you, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this bonus and any valuable information I'm sharing for free. To start a Pinterest affiliate marketing business, first go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click enter, scroll down a bit and choose this link over here. Now you need to sign up with your email address. The sign up process is quick and easy. Once done, this will be your homepage and you'll have an account like this on Fiverr. I already have an account, so I just automatically was logged in. Next, what you want to do is actually to scroll down to the bottom where you see community tab, and here you can find affiliates. Click on this affiliates to be directed to the Fiverr affiliate website. Here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see how much you will earn for each service. Fiverr pays well, making it a profitable affiliate marketing option. To join the Fiverr affiliates program, click on join now. To go to the sign up page, enter your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, select private, enter the main source of traffic question, choose your country and language. If you have Skype, enter it. If not, click next. Once done, you will have an account with the Fiverr affiliate program. Now I already have an account, so I'll just log in. Next, return to Google and search for Pinterest. We'll use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Just sign up and create your account. I already have an account. I won't show you how to do that, but it's pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts given and you'll be good to go. Once completed, you will have a homepage like this one and an account with Pinterest. Be sure to open a Pinterest business account instead of a personal one, as it's free and simple to set up. But if you already created a personal account, don't worry, it's not the end of the world and you still can convert your personal account to business. After you finish setting up your Pinterest account, go back to Google and search for trends.pinterest.com. Many people overlook Pinterest trends, so search for it. Click on the first link and you'll be directed to the Pinterest trends page. Pinterest trends will show you what's currently popular on Pinterest, including trending services and products. By selecting those trending services or products, you can earn commissions. Now we can scroll down a bit, and as you can see, it displays current trends in the United States. You can scroll down a bit, you can choose trend type, you can choose top monthly trends, and take a look at these. Top monthly trends: summer nails, date night beauty, nails, fashion, home bedroom refresh, color, character, planet, and many others. Also, you can choose growing trends to see what is growing at the moment. Planet, 4th of July food, but it's probably going to go down a bit. Hobby, plant, 4th of July nails, but remember, we already missed 4th of July, so it's gone. Beach nails sounds good, summer nails, and many others. Also, you can click on interest and choose your interest. For example, if you are into beauty, you can choose beauty. If you are in electronics or entertainment or finance, gardening, health, and all other interests or sports, you can choose those and just narrow down your search for your keywords. In this video, we'll choose design. Click on design. Now we can choose a trend type. We can choose top monthly trends to see what is booming this month. For example, banner, barn dominium ideas, interior design, bathroom design, YouTube banner, graphic design, or for example this one, July calendar 2024. We can design various calendars and promote them on our Pinterest account. By the way, guys, I've created an awesome affiliate marketing knowledge quiz just for you. Whether you're just starting out or you're already an expert, this quiz will help you discover your level of expertise and provide you with personalized tips to improve your skills. The quiz is super easy and fun. It's only 10 questions long and covers everything from the basics to more advanced topics in affiliate marketing. Plus, you'll get instant feedback on your answers. So why you should take this quiz? Well, first, you'll find out where you stand in your affiliate marketing journey. Second, you'll receive personalized tips and resources based on your results. And third, you'll get access to exclusive courses and ebooks to help you boost your skills and income. All you need to do is click the link in the description below to take the quiz, answer the questions, enter your email, and get your personalized results delivered straight to your inbox. It's that simple. Don't sleep on it, and let's get back to our video. Okay, our next step is to go back to Fiverr and search for calendar, because we chose our keyword, our main keyword, as July calendar 2024, so we'll use calendar as our keyword on Fiverr. And now we can choose a reputable seller with positive reviews. So for example, this one, I will design professional desk calendar and wall calendar. Sounds awesome, right? And this one, I will design customized calendar, planners, journals, and stationery. This one, I will design calendar planner, monthly planner, and journal planner. Also, you can take a look at these levels. Level 2, this seller right here already made a lot of journals and he finished a lot of orders. So we can choose this one. We'll know this will be a great one. We can scroll through images and take a look at the calendars he created. You can see different packages, basic, standard, and premium. You can see his offer, the description, all kinds of stuff. Now what you need to do, if you choose to promote this seller, just copy your link address, go back to your affiliate, Fiverr affiliate dashboard, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click on deep link and paste the URL we just copied. Click save, and just like this, all of these affiliate links changed and are now promoting this seller. Now we need to promote this link on Pinterest by creating a new pin. So go back to your Pinterest account, click on create pin. Now we need to upload an image. So what we can use is actually go back to Fiverr and just click on this image over here, click on save image as, and download it to your computer. Go back to Pinterest and upload this image, this calendar image, on your pin. Now for the title, all we need to do is actually to just copy from this seller, just paste it right here. I will design professional desk calendar, wall calendar, just like this. And for the description, we can also do that. We can simply go ahead and copy this section over here, paste it right here. And also don't forget to add some hashtags. So for the hashtags, what we can do is actually go back to our trends.pinterest.com and just copy some keywords, for the hashtags from here. For example, our main hashtag, July calendar 2024, add hashtag sign, delete those gaps, add a gap right here, add more. You can scroll down a bit and get more related trends. 2024 calendar, font, easy fonts to write. You can add 2024 calendar, you can add just calendar, fonts, what else? Fonts, alpha, easy fonts to write, easy fonts to write. We can add something from this title over here, add a hashtag, design. You can also add desk calendar, wall calendar, and I'll finish with this one. You can add as many as you want actually. Okay, we can scroll down a bit. Now what we need is the link. This is where we put our affiliate link. So we can go back to our Fiverr account, our Fiverr affiliate account, and just copy the first link, Fiverr Pro, and click on copy. And actually this link over here is not looking too good. So what you can do is open up a new tab, type in bit.ly.com, go to this website over here, click on create new link, paste your link over here, click enter, and copy this link. And what we just did, actually, we just shortened our link, and this link, we can test this link, we can paste it over here, and this link will lead to our designer on Fiverr, but we just shorten it so it looks more appealing and doesn't bother. We can choose a board or create one, so we can create a calendar For example, just like this calendar. Click on create, and you can add some tags if you want, but I'll skip this time. And the last thing you want to do, actually, once you're all done with title, description, you added your link, you added your image or video, just click on publish. As you can see, I posted this pin on Fantasy Garden account. It's not ideal and I do not recommend to do that. It's just for the video purposes. Best recommendation that I can give you is to create a specific account for a specific niche. For example, if you want to promote Fiverr designs like this, like calendars, you want to create a specific Pinterest account for the calendars. For example, you can name it Fantasy Calendar Designs or Fantasy Calendar or Fantasy Designs or something like that. But in this video, I just wanted to show you how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest and make commission on it. With Pinterest attracting 1 billion monthly visitors, consistent and strategic use alongside Pinterest trends and keyword research can help you discover trending services to promote and earn commissions. The calendar keyword was just an example. You can find a bunch of different keywords. This is the method I use to start a Pinterest affiliate marketing business for beginners using free traffic without a website or paid ads. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope this tutorial helps. Make sure to check my YouTube channel for more free methods to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. Also, don't forget to check out the quiz I created just for you so you can get an idea what level affiliate marketeer you are. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for future content and I'll see you in the next video.